How long before you can drive on a sealed driveway? There are all kinds of different sealers in the marketplace, and the time it takes for them to dry before you can drive on them really depends. You see, coal tar emulsion and asphalt emulsion, generally you can drive on them after about 12 hours. You want the sealer to go through a bit of a curing stage as the sun bakes out the water and the moisture inside the sealer, leaving the solids on that surface. It takes about 12 hours to do that properly, which means that when you go to park a car on it and you turn the wheels, the tires on the surface, it's not going to make tire marks. After all, you've spent good money, you've invested it into seal coating that surface, there's no point in having tire marks on it. So if you don't want to have a finished job that's scuffed up, wait 12 hours. Now to walk on the driveway, you're looking at about 3 hours. But also pay attention to the weather, the environment around. As an example, if it's very overcast and very humid outside, it might take longer for it to dry and cure. Whereas if it's really sunny and hot and baking that sealer, it will dry very, very quickly. The way you can do that is simply just check with your foot. Simply take your shoe, scuff it back and forth from left to right, and you'll be able to see if you leave marks on the driveway. If you do, let it stay and stick longer. Let it go through some more curing stages until you don't see your foot mark on that surface. Then go ahead, park the car, and do a little tire test. If you do see a mark, take the car back off, wait for a few more hours, and do the same thing over. Hopes this answers your question about how long you should stay off a driveway after seal coating.